This sweep starts out the same as the last. I'm going to grab his heel with my hand. But now, instead of keeping this foot on the hip, I'm going to take my other foot and put it sideways across his hip. It's like a side kick position. Now we're going to rotate a bit. So here we are, side kick position. My other leg comes through his leg. It's in between here, right? It's going to sweep along the floor, an inch off the ground, come here. At the same time it makes impact, I'm going to push him with my top leg here. Now I'm going to come up, bring my legs underneath me, elevate this foot, and move into whatever guard passing position I want to go to. Once again, the mechanics of this sweep is to block this leg, to block that leg, and then push him in the middle. Since he can't step back, he has to fall over. So I'm blocking this, and I'm pushing him in the middle. He has to go down. Two other things I want to point out. This is not a full-on side kick to the belly. It's resting on the belly, and then it's pushing from there. And the other thing, this leg doesn't chop high. It comes down to the floor and swings about an inch or two off the floor. It makes contact with the very back of his heel, to the Achilles tendon.